Maintaining your V-brakes and chain is important. I'm going to show you how and when to clean and lubricate your chain. I'll then show you the procedure to ensure your brakes are working safely and correctly. Before we start, make sure you have solvent, chain lube, split link pliers and some sort of tub to put your chain and solvent into. The bike we'll be working on today has a split link fitted on the chain, so for demonstration purposes I'll show you how to use a chain tool as well. Now you may be wondering what a split link is. It's convenient and the safest way to join a chain. If the chain isn't fitted with a split link, you'll need to use a chain tool to disconnect your chain. Put the chain tool onto the chain, making sure the tool is lined up with the link of the chain, and turn the handle until the pin has been pushed all the way through the link. To start off, disconnect your chain using the split link pliers and remove the chain from the bike. Now you've removed the chain, put the chain in the tub and cover it with solvent. Agitate the chain with a brush to free any stubborn dirt. Brush your cassette and chain rings with the solvent to free off any dirt. Remove your chain from the solvent, give it a thorough wipe and leave it to dry. Once the chain has dried, thread it through the derailleur as shown. Fit the chain through the front derailleur as well. Put the chain back over the chainring. A handy tip to help with connecting your chain is use a piece of bent spoke to hold the two ends of the chain together. Connect your chain back together with the split link. Fit your chain onto the chain rings. Give your cassette and chain rings a wipe down before the solvent dries. Apply chain lube to the length of your chain, then shift gradually through each gear to make sure each sprocket has lube on it. Wipe excess lube off the outside of the chain to reduce the amount of dirt that sticks. And that's how to thoroughly clean and maintain your chain. It's important to maintain your brakes for your own and other people's safety. To start off with, make sure your axle is seated all the way into the dropouts. Next we'll check for wheel truth. The rim needs to be within a couple of millimetres of truth. You can use your thumb and Allen key or brake pad to see how true your wheel is. Here I'll show you how to line up your brake pads. They need to be in the centre of the braking surface, not touching the tyre and not hanging off the bottom of the rim. Tighten the pad to 6 Newton meters. That's about as tight as you can do with a T-bar Allen key. Here you can see your brake cable is too slack. Hook the brake pipe in the brake as shown. Loosen the cable pinch bolt off and pull the cable through until the pads touch the rim. Retighten the pinch bolt to 7 Newton meters. Seat the brake pipe in the brake as shown. Now you've adjusted the cable, the lever will pull about as far as shown. Here we're going to show how to balance the brake. This is showing that the brake is unbalanced. These are the adjustment screws. I'm going to screw this one in to increase the brake tension. I will adjust these until both brake arms are moving evenly. Give your brake a good hard squeeze as a test. And that's how you adjust your brake. I'm Dan from Big Bill's Bikes. I travel smart. Do you?